Hey, it's your pal Pete over here on the 2018 Goldwing today. And what we're going to be talking about today is, has Honda deserted my baby? Pig! I love living here. This place is the best, I'm telling you. This is the best riding in Florida is Central Florida, North Central Florida, Marion County, Lake County area. You know. Hey, Goldwingers, look at that. We're everywhere. So anyway, right, to my topic of conversation today. The 2023 Goldwings have been announced, and they are boring as all get out. The Goldwing comes in gray, that's the non-Tour. The Touring models come in two colors, black and red, both of which are not new. The red came out in 2018. They've reused it, I think, a couple more times since then. You know, the adaptive cruise control was announced. They have patented it, I think late 2019, early 2020 was announced. They patented it for this motorcycle. You know, and it's 2023 and they haven't put it on it yet. And look at all these horses, guys, and girls. I'm telling you, you got to get up here. If you're in Florida, look at these animals. They're beautiful. Anyway, so it was announced in 2020. Has read an article on it for sure, and we're not really seeing anything new with the Goldwing. I mean, other than in the 2021 model, they put the bigger trunk on and changed the seat. I think they tweaked the front suspension just a little bit too, with a different spring in it or something like that. But nothing earth-shattering. You know, and that's something they should have done. But I mean, from the 2001-2005 GL 1800, there weren't really any changes. The 2006, they changed some of the styling and the lights. They did change the dash completely, and they did change the motor just a bit, the timing and stuff, if I remember right. And not much from there. Then 2010, I think they changed it again, and then just minor changes and stuff. But always progressing forward. But I thought with this bike, we were going to be promised a lot more when it came to innovation. I mean, it has the Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic, or Google Play if you have that, which on a motorcycle, man, it's just fantastic to have. But one of the biggest gripes is we were told that we were going to have yearly updates on the GPS, the navigation system. And it has been since July 2020. Since they have given us anything on this bike. I mean, that's 3 years. I mean, and as well as I do in navigation terms, it's like that's a lifetime. I mean, where I live isn't even on this. That's how new my house is. But and not that I use the navigation on this a ton, but I do like to have it because when you're in, areas where there is no cell service, you don't have a map, and it is nice because it has come in handy a few times for me to have, the satellite navigation on board the good old Goldwing here. Maybe 2024 will be, I'm just guessing here. I mean, I know we all saw the videos, the Goldwing's dead a few months back, and that had to do with environmental concerns, especially from Europe. Their tier 5 or whatever they're going to is just killing motorcycles left and right. It's not just the Goldwing. It's going to be a lot of bikes where they can't, their mission controls are becoming so restrictive because of, you know, some sort of, you know, thing that I don't believe in, you know, but there's no energy crisis. We have plenty of it. We just don't want to use it. Ooh. That didn't come in the camera. But yeah, so that's kind of why it's kind of fading out. Anyway, so with this bike, I think maybe, hopefully in 2024, we'll see something new. They really need to do something with the colors. I mean, 2 colors. I mean, come on. And, you know, it doesn't excite anyone. Well, let's face it. Do you want to... I mean, a black or red bike? I mean, it's been kind of done. But yeah, so... But do I think that the Goldwing is going... I think in the next couple of years, you're going to see... And I said this before. One, you're only going to have the DCT. You're not going to have the manual. I mean, you're seeing the DCT on everything Honda makes now. I mean, heck, the Rebel has a DCT. And that's what leads me to believe that this thing's kind of, unfortunately, you know, I think once they do the adaptive cruise control, I think it will be on one of the bikes maybe next year. Maybe some styling changes and things that they're trying to figure out. And that might be it for a long time. What storks? Or white pelicans are over there. Anyway, you guys are like, you stink at this, man. So what are your thoughts? Do you think that Honda's leaving its flagship bike behind when it comes to innovation and just plain old colors? Come on, man. So tell me what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't before, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I appreciate all your time and everything you're doing out there. Support my channel. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.